What are snakes? Snakes are reptiles belonging to the class Reptilia. They are limbless animals with long, flexible bodies. There are more than 3,000 snake species worldwide. One classification and evolution kingdom: Animalia phylum, Chordata class, Reptilia, order, Squamata, suborder, Serpentes. Snakes evolved approximately 150 million years ago from lizard-like ancestors. During the course of evolution, they lost their limbs, their bodies became elongated, and they adapted to moving underground, in water, or through dense vegetation. 2. Anatomical structure. Body snakes are vertebrates, and some species have more than 400 vertebrae. Their ribs extend along most of the body, aiding movement. Their skin is covered with keratinized scales. Skull and jaw structure. Snake jaws have highly flexible bone connections. The lower jaw consists of 2 separate halves that can move independently. This allows snakes to swallow prey much larger than their own heads. Internal organs. Internal organs are arranged in a linear sequence to fit the elongated body. The left lung is usually reduced, while the right lung is long and functional. The heart can shift position, which helps prevent damage while swallowing large prey. 3 sensory systems. Tongue and Jacobson's organ snakes use their forked tongues to collect chemical particles from the air. These particles are analyzed by the Jacobson's vomeronasal organ. This enables snakes to detect the direction and distance of prey. Vision snakes do not have eyelids. Their eyes are covered by a transparent protective scale. Their vision is generally weak, but they are very sensitive to movement. Heat detection in some species. Species such as vipers and pythons have heat-sensing pits. These allow them to detect warm-blooded animals even in complete darkness. 4 modes of locomotion. Snakes move using 4 main types of locomotion. Lateral undulation, the most common form of movement. Rectilinear movement, seen mainly in large snakes. Sidewinding, used by desert-dwelling snakes. Concertina movement, used in narrow or confined spaces. 5. Feeding and digestion. Snakes are strictly carnivorous. They capture prey by constricting it. Pythons, anacondas, envenomating it. Cobras, vipers, swallowing it whole. Their digestion is slow, and after a large meal, they may not eat for weeks. Their stomach acids are extremely strong and can dissolve even bones. 6. Venom system. Venomous snakes. Venom is produced by modified salivary glands. Types of venom include neurotoxins, affect the nervous system. Hemotoxins, damage blood and tissues. Cytotoxins, destroy cells. Not all venomous snakes are deadly. The species and venom dose are crucial factors. 7. Shedding, ecdysis. As snakes grow, they shed their skin in one complete piece. During this period, their eyes become cloudy. They may behave more aggressively. Shedding helps remove parasites and damaged skin. 8. Reproduction, oviparous, egg-laying. Cobras, pythons, ovoviviparous, giving birth from eggs retained in the body. Vipers. Most species do not provide parental care. Newborn snakes are independent from birth. 9. Behavior and defense. Most snakes are shy and avoid humans. Defensive behaviors include hissing, inflating the body. Mock strikes, camouflage. Biting is considered a last resort. 10. Role in the ecosystem. Snakes control rodent populations. They help reduce agricultural pests. They are an important link in the food chain.
Narrator. Silent, patient, and with a single strike, everything can end. Snakes are among the oldest and most effective predators on Earth. What makes them frightening is not their venom, but their perfect survival strategies. In this documentary, we will take a close look at the hidden world of snakes. Snakes evolved approximately 150 million years ago from lizard-like ancestors. Over time, they lost their legs. Their bodies elongated, and their movement became highly specialized. This transformation gave snakes a huge advantage. They could survive underground, in water, in deserts, and in dense forests. Today, there are more than 3,000 species of snakes worldwide. Snakes do not rely solely on their eyes. Their true power lies in their sensing abilities. With their forked tongues, they collect chemical traces in the air. These traces are analyzed in a special organ inside their mouths. Some species can even sense heat, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. This makes them silent yet deadly hunters. The movement of snakes is almost invisible. Their scales reduce friction, letting them glide smoothly. They conserve energy while moving on land, in water, sand, or trees. Some desert snakes move sideways across sand to minimize contact with hot surfaces. Snakes are ancient creatures that have existed on Earth for millions of years. Today, they inhabit almost every region of the world, except Antarctica. There are more than 3,000 species of snakes, and only a small number of them are dangerous to humans. They move silently, sense vibrations, and perceive their surroundings through heat-sensitive organs. Snakes are the unseen guardians of the ecosystem. By controlling rodent populations, they help prevent the spread of disease. The toxins produced by venomous species are used in the development of life-saving medicines. These silent hunters of nature are essential to the balance of life. If snakes disappear, the balance of nature is disrupted.